In the box you get the light itself, which comes with the light bulb already attached, the solar panel, which is attached to the light with a cord, a mounting bracket for the solar panel, 2 zip ties, a remote, and hardware for the mounting bracket. We started to install it by picking a spot for it to hang and then adjusting it to the height that we wanted, and then we secured the wire to this hook with the zip ties that came in the box. Next we worked on installing the solar panel next to our deck where it would get full sun using the mounting bracket that came with the kit. You're able to swivel the mounting bracket in any direction so that it can absorb as much sun as possible. As you can see here, the solar panel is just a few feet away from the actual light itself. Now that it is installed and charged from soaking up the sunlight, let's see what it looks like at night. I am really impressed by how much light this little bulb gives off. The remote that comes with it is very handy and you can set the exact brightness that you want. There are so many useful spots outside your home where you can install this light to just add a little bit of brightness where you need it to be able to navigate your yard at night.